Claire. I mean Rachel. Take it. Rachel, teach him how to do it.
Get out of here.
Yeah, Sarah really wants to see him dance.
Ew, Brandon.
That's why you were in boxers. Ew, look at him.
Peanut, Rose is gonna see us. You look ugly. Ha! Ew, you look disgusting. Cover up because it's going on MySpace. Claire, say hi to MySpace.
No.
Dude, right down his gay.
Can you show me what I'm doing first?
Yeah, what? Here, you can see it.
Nice.
Ew, get off!
Does she think she's in club? What's going on, dude?
Claire hates me. No, I don't. Why do you think that? Why does everybody think that?
Get some kite and
Everybody thinks I hate them. I really don't hate anybody. I love everything.
Yeah.